afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome back to full-time markets. The nonsense is over. The summertime here in the United States has officially come to an end, and generally with that, the markets get thicker, more volume comes in, and a lot of traders get called back to their trading desks to finish out the year. So hooray for September. We've been waiting quite a while for this. Traders, my name is Oscar Carboni, and this is my 910th YouTube video presentation. These are short-term trading videos that are geared for trading the next day or two after the date that we film them for you. This video is being filmed on Sunday. Well, actually, this is Monday, isn't it? Yes, the holiday. This video is being filmed on Monday night for trading Tuesday, September 4th, 2012. Before we get into it, and there's a lot here on the board, traders, let me just say that futures trading can be extremely risky and can cause substantial financial loss if you do not have risk capital to lose. If you do not recognize that a stop is your best friend, you must understand that trading commodities is certainly not suitable for all traders or all trading accounts. If you do not understand the risks behind this game, get up and run, because it's a sick Cowboys game. But for the rest of you traders that understand the risks, that don't mind playing like a cowboy, choo-choo-choo, rootin', tootin', shootin', let's go, let's move forward. This video 910 has a green arrow on the board, and I love to clap for those green omnis, baby. In the ES, the NASDAQ, the Russell, the German DAX, soybeans look very nice. Silver and gold breaking out, the entire CRB index on its way up, and the euro looks pretty decent as well. So we have a lot to discuss in this video. Traders, markets are gaining strength again across the board in Europe. Here in the US, the markets are looking good technically on the charts for coming into trading Tuesday morning. That would be the ES, NASDAQ, Russell, DAX. The dollar has been going down lately. Dollar index down, stocks and commodities up. Let me say that again. Dollar index down, stocks and commodities up. If you have dollars here and stocks and commodities there, because they are priced in dollars, if dollars go down, stocks and commodities go up. It's an inherent relationship. The gold market is breaking out of a bull flag, and the German DAX looks very strong technically. Traders, I want to show you a bunch of charts that will illustrate everything that you see on the board here and give you our reasoning behind the green omni for trading on Tuesday, September 4th, 2012. I would like to invite you to a live class I'm going to hold tomorrow morning at livewithoscar.com. It is happening at about 12 noon OST. That would be on Tuesday, September 4th, 2012. Come on down to livewithoscar.com. Come into my chat room for a free live technical analysis class. I will see you there. All right, traders, I want to show you some charts with no further ado. Let's go look at some charts.
Traders, Oscar Carboni is holding another Omni Camp live in Las Vegas. Omni Camp is an intensive 4-day course taught by the Wall Street whiz Oscar Carboni himself. Oscar has been analyzing markets and trading commodities on and off the New York trading pits for over 30 years. Trading for a living is a very difficult business. Oscar will simplify the process so that you can easily understand and analyze the markets. Classes are limited. For more information, call 702-629-4755. Our phones are staffed 24/7. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. Trading futures is not suitable for all accounts.
Okay, traders, the first chart this evening you will see is the Euro currency daily bar chart, the 6EU12, if you will. As you can see, this is a daily chart. Each one of these green lines represents 1 day's worth of trading. The euro has come down quite a bit, but is now in this very smart parallel channel. Look here, traders, a bull flag, which it has broken out above and is sitting right here, right now. That looks very smart. That looks bullish. It looks like it wants to come up to the top of the channel here. Plus, if you look at this average, it doesn't usually seem to get above the average. Look here, failure. Look here, failure. But look what happened at the bottom of the bull flag. got above the average, held right here at the bottom of the channel, and took off into a bull flag and now broke out of it. That looks strong, traders, and of course it would because of the dollar index looking weak. There is your dollar index looking weak. Bear flag, breakdown. Bear flag, breakdown is beginning. Another breakdown should ensue. We'd expect to be down at the bottom of this channel at some point. A series of bear flags in your dollar index daily chart shows you that this market wants to go lower. If you look here, we had this bottom, but we've taken that bottom out. We had this gap. We have filled the gap and gone even lower. That market wants to go lower. It augurs to come all the way down here to the bottom of that channel. If the dollar index is going down, it will make stocks and commodities go up. Look at these commodities that are starting to go. Traders, look at this gold chart. You can see clearly in the gold chart it's broken out of a major resistance level. Look at how far back this resistance goes. You broke out of it, and in the form of a bull flag, and now we're above the bull flag. Traders, let me blow up this gold chart. Let me give you a little closer look because this is a great chart to look at. Here it is blown up. This is what has happened. We're above that major resistance. Big bull flag, blew out of the bull flag. That, my friends, is a buy signal in gold. Gold looks like it wants to blow up once again. It's already nearing the 1700 mark. It looks like it's going to get above 17 on Tuesday. It could easily be up here 1725 in no time. The gold breaking out because of the dollar's weakness. What else is going? Look at the soybeans. Nice pennant breakout. Makes a bull flag right here. Breaks out of that bull flag and is just taking off. So because the dollar is moving down and is really starting to get into a lower trend now, you're seeing commodities start to trend higher. But then there are stocks, and if the dollar goes lower, not just commodities will go higher, it will propel the stock market higher. What we're looking at here is the Dow Jones Industrials daily bar chart. This same chart I've shown you in many videos, all the way back to when we had this head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Then we had the failed head test and broke all the way down, creating this parallel channel that you see right here. Well, we've been bouncing high and low off the top and bottom of the parallel channel. The last time up, we didn't quite get to the top of the channel. As you can see, it stopped here. And the last time down, being just yesterday, we did not get to the bottom of the channel, but we got close. But as you can see, close is most times enough. So we got close to the channel here. We got close to the channel up there. Same thing here. You got close to the channel without actually hitting it, but that was enough to find support. So we think the dollar moving lower and the end of summer, the beginning of the month of September always brings a lot of new traders into the market. A lot of reason to think we'll find some strength there. Let's continue. Traders, the CRB index. The whole CRB index is moving higher because the dollar is moving lower. Look at this wonderful V bottom it's made, right? You could even, if you want to, try to make some form of an inverted head and shoulders out of it, but let's call it a V bottom. Look at the nice parallel channel it's gotten into lately. Looking really smart, broke out above this bull-looking flag right here and is now beginning to take off. Thank you, weaker dollar. So dollar down, commodities and stocks higher, as you can clearly see. What do we have for trading tomorrow in the transportation average? It would be opposite the dollar. We think this is a great spot to get long the indices. This looks like a perfect setup for an announcement out of Europe. Is this a false breakout? Did we just get to the false breakout area and now we're going to continue on up and out of here? That's what I think we're seeing. I know there's been some decent news out of Europe over the weekend, just as the charts prescribed would happen. So here we are so far. Markets are moving higher. The news is coming out rosy. And we expect something like the S&P to catch the support right here at the bottom of this channel and head on up, traders. Remember, we had a previous high at 14, 13 and a half, came down, rallied up again, bested that high, came off just a little, found support. It looks like it wants to move itself higher. That would be your emini S&P. Next on the block, you have the German DAX, traders, and the German DAX, if you ask me, we get to invoke the 2-day rule on the German DAX. You've been in a bull market, all of a sudden, big down day, next big down day. That's enough for me to enact the 2-day rule and expect this market to be much higher coming into Tuesday. So here we are, traders. You've seen those charts. There's plenty of reason why you would think bullish in stocks, bullish in commodities, and bearish the dollar index. So traders, you've seen our technical argument for why we have the green Omni for trading on Tuesday, September 4th. If you'd like to learn how to analyze these charts the same way I'm showing you here on this board, plus of course we go into much more detail, you come on down to livewithoscar.com and join me. I have a 4-day seminar planned live in Vegas. It's called Omni Camp. Omni Camp will be held here October 26th, 27th, 28th, and 29th. This October, it is a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. There are several seats still left open. If you would like to train with me for 4 days and nights here in Las Vegas, come on down to livewithoscar.com, click the Omni Camp banner, and fill out your applications. I will personally call you and see if you qualify for Omni Camp. Traders, there it is. Our technical argument for why we think soybeans up, gold up, silver up, CRB index up, the euro up, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, and DAX, all of that on the upside for trading Tuesday. Markets are looking good, as you can see on the charts. The dollar going down does move stocks and commodities higher. You see that wonderful gold breakout, and the German DAX looking great with the 2-day rule. Do your own homework. Take a look at those charts. If you do not understand them, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Come into my free trading rooms, traders. Don't trade alone. Come join me where I am sitting live in these trading rooms. There's a free trading room for you. You come down to livewithoscar.com and go into that free trading room, and I will be there to help you get through these rough and tumble markets day after day, night after night. 24/7 operation. We never go away. Hopefully we will see you there at the site. All right, traders, I want to get back down into my office and see what's going on in these markets. So remember, always keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. It looks like the DAX is going to take us higher this week. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.